Tamo sana. Tamo sana. Manyaman. Sarap. See the skin. Should I eat this one? Should I? Perfect. Hi guys, good morning, or shall I say good afternoon, okay? So today I'm going to demonstrate to you Filipino pork adobo, alright? So that will be our recipe for today. You're welcome to list down the ingredients, okay? So what I have here are rib bones and front leg, okay? Front leg, you choose front leg rather than the back leg. The front leg has more meat compared to the back leg, alright? And so these are the bones that I separated yesterday. I also made Filipino tocino, pork tocino yesterday. So today I'm going to demonstrate to you how I will cook pork adobo. Okay, so you're free to copy my recipe, my own version. Okay, so the ingredients are very easy. So I have my soporia already, so I'll just put all the pork there. Right. Be sure to wash properly, clean properly. The ingredients are simple. I'll show you. We need onions. I'm about to fry already because of the onion. Alright? So onion, finish. Put everything here. I use about 2 kg of pork. And then garlic. Pepper. Star anise. I'll just put one. Just put one star anise. I'll put bay leaf. Okay, bay leaf. 2 kg. I'll just put one spoonful of salt. Okay, and then 2 spoonful of sugar. Soy, okay, soy sauce. Just be generous with the soy sauce, okay. Apple cider vinegar. Pineapple juice. As I said, you're free to copy my recipe. To make it even more tasty, 1 more cubes. There you go. 1.5 cup of water. So you see now, that's my adobo. Okay, we will cook for 1 hour or so. Medium to high heat. That's a Filipino version of pork adobo. Marinated pork actually. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's been 1 hour and let's check our adobo. Okay, almost done. So we're just going to simmer it for another 30 minutes. I'll put, as promised, I'm going to put tomato ketchup. Yeah. We will cook for another 30 minutes and we're ready to eat. By the way, I encourage you to visit my YouTube channel. I have 2 YouTube channels, by the way. One is Freddies Farm, Freddie apostrophe S and then Farm, Freddies Farm. So I have uploaded so many materials or videos at Freddies Farm. You may want to visit the farm and subscribe, to Freddies Farm. So if you are fond of organic farming, Freddies Farm is the YouTube channel for you. I just uploaded 2 videos, or make it 3 videos. The latest was a video tutorial on vermiculture. That is on how to produce your own organic fertilizer using worms. That's one. And then I also uploaded another video on sales and marketing for farmers. Okay, so don't sell your products until you watch that video. Sales and marketing, as farmers we need to be business people, before we even grow crops or raise animals. We need to understand the market first. Alright, so sales and marketing, that's another video. And then another video that I just uploaded was everything you have to know about organic certification. So if you're fond of organic farming, visit my YouTube channel, Freddies Farm. Okay? So you can consider subscribing if you want to see videos. I'm about to upload another video on that channel. Okay, before you even build your farm, consider the landscape. Okay, the layout, the design. Okay, so I'm about to upload that video. So everything about organic farming, formulation of organic fertilizer, concoctions like fish amino acid, fermented fruit juice, fermented plant extract, carbonized rice hull, and so on and so forth. So Freddies Farm, you visit, and if you enjoy the videos, consider subscribing. All right. Another YouTube channel. I have another YouTube channel. By the way, the objective of that YouTube channel is, I believe every farmer deserves financial freedom. I think it's about time for our farmers to be rewarded with regards to their effort, because we are feeding the nation. So at least we need to be compensated very well. All right. So a farmer should also be a scientist. Okay. So we need to improve our technologies. Okay, our farming systems. And as a farmer, we need to be entrepreneurs. We need to be business people. We need to think like a businessman, speak like a businessman, and then dress like a businessman. Okay? That's being a farmer. And then another YouTube channel, you might want to visit also, Fred TV. Okay? AR-Fred Fred, F-R-E-D, and then TV, our Fred TV. So in that channel, I normally share videos about family life, okay, about our financial life, including a showcase of all my other interests, a showcase of, you know, our hobbies. You know, I love fishing, I love mountain climbing, you know, I love cooking, and of course, what else? Yeah, family life. As much as we are successful in our career, must be successful also in our family. Okay? Our Fred TV, work-life balance. Okay? So, 2 channels. Freddies Farm and our Fred TV. So, our adobo, let's check again. Alright? Almost done. So I'll now lower the heat. Let's simmer for a few more minutes and voila! Late lunch, early dinner. We woke up at about 10 o'clock in the morning, so we had our breakfast at 10. So it's only now, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon here in Nairobi. It's only now that we're going to have lunch. Alright, so I simmered it. Let me just try to mix. So in the family, I'm the chef. I don't know, I really love cooking. So as I mentioned, my plan for Freddies Farm in the future. I'm going to have a restaurant in the farm. And then I'll allow people to taste all organic produce at Freddies Farm. Okay, so unlimited salad, lettuce, and then organic pork, organic chicken, organic fish. You catch your own fish. You do fishing like this. So you catch, we cook. All right. That's my idea of Freddies Farm after retirement. Very soon. How about you guys? What are your plans for retirement? Do you plan to work until you're 60, 65 years old? That would be too late already. Okay? So, Freddies Farm. I plant plenty of dragon fruit. I will surround the entire farm with dragon fruit. And then I'll plant strawberry and grapes. Okay. Part of that would be agritourism. By the way, I'm going to upload another video. Freddies Farm. I will talk about agritourism. Agritourism is a all year round crop that a farmer can harvest. In agritourism, what do? We sell customer experience. We sell customer experience. The lowly life of a farmer will become a luxury for rich people. That's agritourism. They would want to experience farm life. Okay? So part of Freddies Farm, I'll have a restaurant. Maybe I will have some cottages where people can sleep there overnight. Okay, I'm thinking of any other farm activities. Yeah. So those are our plans for Freddies Farm in the future. Alright, and I'm going to document everything in our YouTube channel. So visit Freddies Farm YouTube channel. You like and subscribe. Alright, right now I have about almost 400 subscribers already, and it's growing. It's growing. So Freddies Farm, organic pigs, we're going to showcase, by the way. People will be free to visit and then learn the technology. Okay, EM technology, effective microorganism technology. It's a Japanese technology. We shall combine it with Korean organic farming, natural technology. Okay, so Freddies Farm, we're going to showcase. I plan to partner with the Department of Agriculture, but now that farm would be a teaching and demo farm. So Freddies Farm, I will, invite. We will conduct training there, okay, and then we will showcase the technology. So that will be for our retirement. Right? So, by the way, wait for another YouTube video. I'm going to upload on Freddies Farm. I have uploaded this already at Alfred TV, but I'm editing it. And there are 3 hidden opportunities during this COVID-19 pandemic period. 3 hidden opportunities. First opportunity, an opportunity to be depressed. Okay? An opportunity to be depressed. It's a holy depression. Okay? Holy depression. Once we are depressed, we take that as a challenge. Okay? Find ways and means. Okay? There are many people, by the way, who lost their job because of this COVID-19 pandemic. 2 things. You can either be depressed negatively, you retreat, you pity yourself, and you lose hope. That is, being depressed in a negative way. But you can be depressed in a positive way. Alright? Take that as a challenge. And tell yourself, if you lost your job, never, never that I will be fired again. How? Put up your own enterprise. So this holy depression, by the way, during this COVID-19 pandemic, is an opportunity to be depressed. Alright? And tell yourself, I will never be fired again. Put up your own business, Buana. Okay? Number 2, opportunity during this COVID-19 pandemic. An opportunity to know ourselves better. And you will be surprised because of COVID-19 pandemic and because of holy depression. You will be surprised. You will know yourself better. You will discover so many things that you have many talents, skills, maybe that been covered already because of the busyness. Life is so fast, very busy. We forget about our passion, our hobbies. Number 1, an opportunity to be depressed. Number 2, an opportunity to know ourselves better. Number 3, opportunity, hidden opportunity during this time of pandemic. An opportunity to know who are the most important people in our lives. Right? Many of us, by the way, we are living a fake life. Many of us are living a fake life. We buy cars that we cannot afford just to impress people who don't like us. They don't even care, by the way. We buy clothes, expensive things, just to impress people who don't even like us, by the way. We go and eat in a restaurant, in a very expensive restaurant, take picture of the food that we are eating that we cannot even afford, upload in Instagram, upload on Facebook, just to impress people who don't even like us. Many of us are living a fake life. I think it's about time for us to realize who are the most important people in our lives. First and foremost, of course, family. I always say, family is not an important thing. Family is everything. The sooner we realize that, the better. Okay? I repeat, family is not an important thing. Family is everything. Number 2, our friends, our true friends. There are only very few of them, by the way. I think it's about time we realize who are our true friends. Okay? And most importantly, by the way, do not forget the most important person in our life. Yesu Cristo. Okay? Our Lord Jesus Christ. I think it's about time we realize. By the way, Steve Jobs, his last words, you know, people considered him to be the most successful, CEO of Apple computers. But he said, with all his successes, money, fame, they were all irrelevant, useless when he is already bedridden and is about to die. Fame, money, they are all useless. Alright? So I think it's important that we realize three things during this COVID-19 pandemic. 3 hidden opportunities for us. Just to summarize, while we're waiting for our adobo. 1, an opportunity to be depressed and take that as a challenge. 2, an opportunity to know ourselves better. And 3, an opportunity to know who are the most important people in our lives. Money, fame, power, they can never satisfy that emptiness in our heart. Because our heart will remain restless until it finds its rest in God. Okay? Because we were created, by the way, we were created for God. Remember that always. It's only God can feel that emptiness. I'm not saying that money is bad. Money is good, by the way. It was created, developed to serve human beings. No? We can use that. Money. Should we accumulate wealth? By all means, accumulate wealth. Okay? But let's always remember, wealth is not everything. Okay? Wealth is not everything. Alright? So, our adobo. Then, taran! Let us see if it is soft already. Let me show you if it's soft. Then it's ready. Tamo sana. Tamo sana. Manyaman. Sarap. See the skin. Should I eat this one? Should I? Perfect. Let's eat. Very good. Come, Buana. Let's eat. Come down. Let's eat. Let's go. Late lunch. Josh, Aidan, RD, come down now. Let's eat lunch. Oh, it's quite dark, sorry. Ma, let's eat na, Ma. Oh, adobo. Come, guys. Wait. I hope I can share it with you. Adobo. Yeah. See? See the soup. Anyway, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Alright? We will remember you as we partake in this food. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Tumsipo Yesu Kristo milele na milele. Amina. Mungu awabariki Bwana. Kwaheri. Bye.